this is supposed to be my dinette slash king size bed frame. Anyway, I decided to use that leftover aluminum I had because it'll work out great, because I can take I guess 1/2 inch or 5/8 plywood, and I can make the decking for the bed to sit on. This will be a whole sheet that I'll put across here, and I think it'll work out pretty nice. And then I'll have to put a lip in here so I can take the table for the dinette and lower it down, and then take the cushions and put them in the middle, and then I'll have my complete king size bed. So it'll be convertible from a dinette to a king size bed. I do see one flaw in my design though. I wish I would have gone, instead of using this cross brace right here, I wish I would have gone with long braces right here and right there. And that way it would have been easier for me to take this assembly out of the box fan if I wanted to. But I don't intend on really taking it out, so I don't think it's going to be that bad a deal. I mean, it'll work just the way it is, it'll be fine. But it could have been done better. At least I think it could have been done better. So anyway, we'll see where this goes. Today's metal scrapyard find. A bunch of aluminum, and this is going to be for the legs of the bed frame. So I think I found enough to support everything. Anyway, that's 45 cents a pound still, but going up. So got to hurry up and grab as much as I need once it's really cheap. Hey everybody, just finished up this week's progress on the bed frame I've been working on. I'll give you a detail. It's a mess in here, but work in progress. So this is what it's going to look like. It's already been riveted together. I have some cleanup to do on the rivets. They didn't snap off 100%, but pretty sturdy. I'm going to do the flooring next, I think. I'll have to lift this up and put the flooring underneath it, but at least I know where I need to put flooring and subfloor. But I think it came out pretty well. I'll have to see once I get the bed in here and everything how well it fits. I don't intend on cutting the bed right away. I'm just going to leave it full, and I've got to go back in here and put a lip where the future table will go, and what I'll do is be able to lower it down here and be able to place the bed across here just like it'd be a regular bed frame. Putting plywood on these surfaces, probably either 1/2 inch or 5/8. May try to use that leftover plywood from the shelves that's fiberglass coated, because it will have a little bit of structure to it. I don't know. I have to see how well it cleans up. And I may need to come back in here and put a brace across here for a little extra support. This area right in here and right in here, that's going to be closed off, and be able to access the storage through the back tailgate there. I thought I was going to be able to squeeze another water tank in there, but now I'm not sure. It's really hard to find this size water tank to go in here, like a square. But anyway, 18 gallons will be okay for right now, and I'll have room to add it later. Also, I think what I'm going to do is leave these open down here, so have more leg room when you're sitting down. Your feet will be able to swing on here, and then you can just slide things like bags and stuff like that under there for storage. So yeah, I think I'll just probably leave this open for right now. My wife actually came up with the idea to put a cooler, if we decide to go with a cooler without a fridge, in this area right here where you can slide it in and out. So that's something we might do. And actually, she's already she's picked out some flooring, some gray wood plank flooring. I think Home Depot or Lowe's carries it, but I'll update you on that on the next video. But that's about it for this week. I'm pretty happy with it. Oh yeah, it's pretty sturdy too. Hopefully I got this angle right. So once I get it secured to the floor, it'll be really sturdy. But I'm pretty happy with it. All right, that's it for this week. Next week, going on vacation, and probably take a week off. Maybe I'll have some video to fill in there, but probably no construction on the camper van. That'll probably have to wait another week. But anyway, that's it for this week. See y'all later.